What is Greek art? The art produced thereafter during the classical period. It was characterized by restrained harmony, proportional beauty, and idealization. These qualities, remarkable given the relative brevity of the period, emerged as the bedrock of Western arts canon in the ages that followed. Culture and statuary of classical Greek art provide standards not only in our art but in how we view the living human body. Characteristic or features of classical Greek art is a heroic realism. Painters and sculptures attempt to reveal the human body in movement or repose, exactly as it appears to the eye. The emphasis will be on people of unusual beauty or moments of high and noble drama. The art of classical Greek style is characterized by a joyous freedom of movement, freedom of expressions, and celebrates mankind as an independent entity.
The term Classical Greece refers to the period between the Persian Wars at the beginning of the 5th century BC and the death of Alexander the Great in 323 BC. The classical period was an era of war and conflict between the Greeks and the Persians, then between the Athenians and the Spartans, but it was also an era of unprecedented political and cultural achievement. Besides the Parthenon and the Greek tragedy, classical Greece brought us the historian Herodotus, the physician Hippocrates, and the philosopher Socrates. It also brought us the political reforms that are ancient Greeks' most enduring contribution to the modern world, the system known as democratia or rule by the people.
Famous proponents or artists during classical Greek period. One of the famous proponents during classical period is Phidias or Phidias. Phidias is a Greek sculptor, painter, and architect. Statue of Zeus at Olympia was one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Another next proponent is Praxiteles. He sculpted a great variety of men and gods, both male and female, and he is said to have been the first to sculpt the human female form in a life-size statue. 2 examples of Praxiteles' work are Aphrodite of Cnidos and Hermes with the infant Dionysus. Myron is known for his Discobolus or discus thrower, which had careful proportions and rhythm. The Discobolus of Myron is a Greek sculpture completed at the start of the classical period at around 460 to 450 BC. The next one is Polykletos. He is particularly known for his lost treatise, A Canon of Body Proportions, the Canon of Polykletos, setting out his mathematical basis of an idealized male body shape. Scopas was an ancient Greek sculptor and architect, most famous for his statue of Meleager, the copper statue of Aphrodite, and head of goddess Hygeia, a daughter of Asclepius. Lastly is Lysippus. Lysippus' work is characterized by lifelike naturalism and slender proportions. It has been described as impressionistic. Lysippus was the official sculptor to Alexander the Great.
Examples of Greek ancient painting, drawing, sculpture, architecture, and dance.